thanks for carrying on with these videos and looking through the website. So at this point, you've looked at the website that's been built, but you may be wondering what happens after. Normally with web development companies, once your website's been built, you'll be assigned a customer number and then you have to ring a call center to get your design changes made. You never really speak to the same person twice and nobody really knows what is and what isn't happening with your product. I've tried to do here, what we have after we built the website, you get access to what is called the Alpha Site Editor tool. Now this is the background to your website. This is how the website is built. It's got all the functions in there that you would need to build a website, and I will give you one-to-one training on how to do anything that you need to do. The only reason that I do this is because if I teach you how to stay on top of your own website, I give you little nitpicks, changing pictures, changing text, changing products in your e-commerce store, that sort of thing, then you will become more self-sufficient. I won't have to open up a call center to deal with all the inquiries. My overheads stay low, and so do the prices that I offer to yourselves. Another thing we use the Alpha Site Editor tool for, before we go live, what we will do is we will give you like access to the Alpha Site Editor tool, and then what you will do, there's a site comment system. Now if I bring you over to my screen over here, there is a site comment system. And what is the site comment system? So let's say here we are at Alpha Grafikon. Let's say you want some changes on your website, but you don't want to get on the phone to me. You just want to leave all the changes in one big swoop. So we have this little box here that you can see. You click on the plus, and then let's say you want this red rather than blue. You click on this spot, you say red rather than blue please, then you click submit, and that is a comment that is then left for me. I get notifications when the comments are left, and then I'll come in here, and then all I do is I will come in here, I will say, oh look, you want it red rather than blue, which section is that? Alright, okay, I'll come in here and I'll change it to red rather than blue, and I'll do that. I'll generally do that in here. Once I've done that, I'll click the button, click resolve, that's your site changes done. Another little thing, let's say if you want to change an image on here, you want a different image in your thing, you just click on here, you would click this button here. If you would select a different image, it would upload another image, and let's say you just want that one done, and there we are. So you want that to be replaced with that image. All I would have to do then is click one button, and then that's the image change. So that is the Alpha Site Editor tool. These are all your widgets down the side, so you would be taught how to keep on top of your own e-commerce store if you had one, or otherwise I would just give you training on how to change the individual bits, change text and stuff like that. What I do with clients, they do get in touch with me with regards to changes. How do I do this? I will do them a little how-to video, publish it to YouTube and send them the link. So I am here, but I will be teaching you to stay on top of your stuff yourself. That is the Alpha Site Editor tool. If you want to have a look at the process, click the button next to it.